Hi guys, today I'll be reviewing the Kludge keyboard. Okay, yeah guys, so I will be unboxing this now. So it came a little banged up in shipping. Not too much. They didn't put it in a box is what's surprising me. They just put it in this, which is a little odd. But when we open it, like, oh, that's a just, oh dang. Is that on camera? Yeah. Oh, that's nice. It also comes with a cable and keycap remover. So, oh wow, that's really nice. I've never used a 60% keyboard before. I always use like full keyboards, but oh, that's really nice. It's like really smooth. And there's a keycap remover, which I don't need to use right now. We also have this cable to plug it into a computer, which I will be doing shortly. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is my old keyboard. It's a little dirty because it's really hard to clean. And this is my new keyboard. The whole keyboard can't even get in frame, and this is my new, it's really small. It's super clicky. So yeah, I'm going to plug it in, and then we're going to try it in a couple games of Bedwars. Okay guys, so this is the keyboard, like this. It looks really, really nice, I think. The camera quality might be a little weird, but if you hit FN and then this, you can change all the lights in it. This is really cool, this one. It shows all the different lights like that. There's this one. There's so many different key combinations. This one's cool, it's just like breathing. This one's really cool as well. This one, I'm trying to find my favorite. I think my favorite one is blank, but then when you press the keys, it shows the lights. I'm trying to find the best one for that. Not this, the one where it pulses is my favorite. Like this. Okay, yeah, so let's get into a game of Bedwars. There's so many cool different combinations, I love it. Is it FN? Yeah, I have to do FN, F5 to go into F5. That's okay. And FN, F5. Not FN, I did FN, F6. It's a little weird, but it's pretty cool. Just using F5 is a little weird for me, but that's okay. This might be my favorite. I'm going to try some more combinations, though. Yeah, we'll try this. Okay, I'm gonna try this one, guys. Okay, move my keyboard a little bit. Yeah, this is much easier to maneuver your hands around. Okay. None of my texture pack, actually. Okay, guys, I'm on my texture pack. I'm gonna try speed bridging on here for the first time. Let's try this. It's a little weird still. Oh, it's so small. I love it. Okay, let's try this. Okay, so something that's oh wow, that's much easier. Because you can actually move your hands like way better. If that sounds a little. I'm used to, like, this is weird. It's so weird. I like it a lot though. Okay. If you're wondering why I'm playing a little weird. Okay, I can't get this kid. Killed me. The fighting on this is a little odd, but that's okay. Okay, come over to base. Let's get some blocks. Just, I don't need hotkeys anymore because these are so close. I am going to change my shift from jump, I think. I don't know if I will though or not. Maybe I'll change my key to C as well. I'm not sure. There's a lot of different hotkeys I can use for this because it always depends on the actual keyboard as well. Oh, I didn't get that kid, but that's okay. so cool. It's so like tidy. I love it. It just like, I don't know. It's much better, I think. Keep getting invited, but that's okay. I'm gonna die. This is so weird to use. I don't know. It's so perfect though. I love it. There's a yellow guy coming for our bed. Knock my human into the void. He has a gap. Hey, hit him. Don't have any blocks. Okay, let's go get blocks. Oh, that's close. This is so cool. It's gonna take me like a couple carrot bits gone. Or dead. That was really close. It was 1 HP, but I'll buy a gap. Buy an iron sword as well. Let's actually buy all the tools. I don't know what I'm doing. This is weird, but I love it. I can go in between keys so much easier now. I keep it at a slight tilt now. I used to have my keyboard straight on. It's more comfortable to use it at a tilt like this. Okay. Oh, this is so much easier. I want to get blue up, but there's so many guys that have their bridging with it. I recommend. It's about the same as bridging on the other one. I still need to get a little better, but always room for improvement. This is just so cool. That was close. Let's try to take out some other team. Not have to take out blue, because I'm probably not going to win this. Because there'll be me and green that are still alive. Oh no, it's just the. Oh no, it's just us and blue. I just realized. Oh, this is gonna be hard to get their bed. Let's buy some more blocks. Let's buy a TNT. Which are 8, so we'll just grab some diamonds in there. Are TNT still 8? It always changes. I believe on like solo and duos, it's actually only 4, but I'm not sure actually. I know, it's just me. I just want to try to get their bed. I don't know, it seems easier to do stuff now. Ow, I did. Alright, get 1 kill. I did, that's okay. Let's try another game. Maybe I'll do more hand cams now. I might get a mouse pad. I'm not very fond of mouse pads because this is like, this is fine. It's a mouse pad. I don't like the scratchy feeling. So if you know of any mouse pads that aren't like scratchy, then I will check it out. And this is like, it's like not marble. It's like, it's some kind of smooth surface. So it's good for mice. Like this. Like that if it's in the camera frame. This is so cool. Okay, I just like this map because we always get rushed in it. Right away, let's put some bed defense down because this is a map where all the sweats go up. Okay guys, I'm going to stop talking and make this more of an ASMR Minecraft video. something